play hide and seek, brother.
Okay, sister, let's play. I'm the seeker, you're the hider, okay? This is Lucy, the lazy cat. Lazy Lucy.
Then, where are we heading to? Tell me, please.
We are heading to Cat Island and kill Sissy, the playboy. This ugly job has turned beautiful Chotu into sleepy Chotu. What are we going to achieve? Let's just sit here and beg for food. Mother, mom, father, have mercy, please.